In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Fortinet license status. Keeping track of your license status is crucial to ensure your Fortinet products continue to offer the best protection and performance without any interruptions. Whether you're managing your company's network security or simply need to verify your subscription details, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access your Fortinet dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Go ahead and log into your Fortinet account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface of the Fortinet dashboard, which is your control center for managing all things related to your Fortinet products. Now, let's locate the search icon. It's typically situated at the top of the interface and is your gateway to quickly finding specific features or settings. Click on this search icon and you'll see a search bar appear. In this search bar, type in the word license. This will help you narrow down the options to anything related to licenses, making it easier to find what you need without sifting through unrelated information. After typing license into the search bar, you'll be presented with a list of results. Here, it's important to select the best match for your query. Look for an option that directly relates to license management or status. The label might slightly vary depending on your version or setup, but you should see something pertinent to checking or managing licenses. Click on the most relevant result. This should take you to a page or section where you can view detailed information about your Fortinet licenses. Here, you can see the status of your current licenses, including expiration dates, activation details, and any other pertinent information that will help you keep track of your product subscriptions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily check the status of your Fortinet license and ensure that everything is up to date. It's always a good idea to regularly check this information, especially if you're managing multiple licenses or if your network security is critical to your operations. Remember, keeping your licenses current not only ensures uninterrupted service, but also guarantees that you're benefiting from the latest security updates and features Fortinet has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in maintaining your Fortinet products. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Fortinet support or consult their comprehensive online resources.